Inconsistency in saving and loading pandas dataframe with lists as values. I have a pandas dataframe with one column having lists as values. For example, as you can see, column C actually contains a list. This is verified by So here, the dataframe contains true lists, available for later analysis with all the list class functionality. But when I'm saving the dataframe and then loading it again, the list becomes string. And I lost list functionality. Is this a bug?
No, it is not a bug. CSV files do not have data type information. When you load the file, all read_CSV has to go on as the text. When it sees 1, 2 in the file, it does not assume that it should process the contents as a list. This is proper. A CSV file might contain text in that format that should not be a list. Direct answer: if you want to turn the column back into a list, do dfc equals dfc.map ast.literal_eval. You must first import ast, of course. You could write this into a converter function to do it upon loading. See the read_CSV documentation. Better approach: save your data as something other than a CSV so that the data types can be saved and recovered on loading. The simplest way to do this is to save as a binary file, df.to_pickletest.df. Big picture: data frames or series containing lists are enigmatic. They aren't very convenient to deal with, and they don't make available most of Pandas' nice tools for handling data. Think again about whether you really need your data as lists. Maybe you do, but it should be a last resort.